All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. Crypto Joe in the crypto corner. Got some sick new decal in the back. Little bullish scenario for you. We figured we'd throw that in the background. It is a longhorn, I get it, but still, it's a bull. Looks pretty sick if you ask me. So, back to the topic for today. I want to talk about Bitcoin, what we're looking at today. It's on a downtrend. We get that, but there's potentially some bullish stuff that I do want to point out here. So let's take a dive into the charts. Right. So here we go for today. Okay, so looking at the charts, the daily chart is where we are at right now. Now, daily chart for today, not looking great. We're sitting at about $46,500 or so for Bitcoin. Really not a great day by any means, but on the past basically couple weeks, we're clearly in a downtrend. It's something that, you know, when I've been studying and kind of looking at RSI, other indicators, things like that, it looks to me like the market is simply cooling down. Yes, it's in a downtrend, but if you're looking, we are below that 40 RSI, which for me, everything that I've seen is kind of an indicator of, hey, things are simply cooling down. Might be a good time to buy some stuff, right? Everyone knows, hey, buy the dip. But this would probably be a good time to accumulate some stuff, especially Bitcoin kind of down here. We're hoping that this 46 level, it does not go much lower than this again. It did kind of back over here a little bit if we're kind of looking, you know, basically a couple weeks ago or so. But it is on a downtrend, so it unfortunately have to say it looks pretty bearish to me. Just the general trend, it is pretty much going lower and lower. But let's look at the weekly time frame here. Again, weekly, yes, the last couple weeks have been downhill. It's not what we want to see. End of the year, November, December. Everyone's talking about potentially lengthening the cycles. Hopefully this crypto cycle, this Bitcoin cycle is lengthening out until January, February, potentially even March to bounce back up. Like I said, RSI going downhill a little bit there, which is fine. The market is cooling off. The thing that I really want to touch on though, because I've been seeing a lot of it, when in doubt, zoom out. If you're looking at the hour chart, if you are looking at, you know, something that is like really short term, you can get caught up in the trading of, well, I think I need to sell like right now. What if I miss this opportunity? Or I need to buy like right now. What if I miss this opportunity? There will be more opportunities. You just have to play your game. You have to do what you do best, you know, and go by your plan of attack to get in when it's low, sell when it's high to make yourself some money. So when in doubt, zoom out. Let's take a peek here and see, okay, yes, the last couple weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row, we're on a downtrend. But if we zoom out just a little bit, we can see that Bitcoin is having still higher highs and higher lows if we're looking at this here. Lower, lower, lower. Those are all higher lows and higher highs. So not a terrible situation. You know, we have tested this level of resistance here and support actually a couple different times on the weekly. So here, here, here. I think it'd be a good time to see kind of that bounce back up. A lot of people that do a lot more TA than I am saying, hey, maybe it's kind of getting to that point where we're going to start to see some consolidation and then either that run up or that dip back down potentially to a 30 or even lower, maybe 20K. Really don't hope or think that that is going to happen anytime soon. But over the next couple weeks, basically through the end of the year, probably going to see some sideways action is what I'm thinking. And then hit that uptrend, especially once that RSI gets a little bit more heated up. It's kind of just going down. I think the market is cooling down. So that is all I wanted to look at for Bitcoin today. So a little bit of a bearish feel, but overall staying bullish. You know it. So yeah, feeling good about the market. I mean, even though everyone's down, everything is down, that's okay. We know that Bitcoin will bounce back. We don't know when exactly. Me personally, I feel like the cycles are going to be lengthened a little bit. we are going to be into January, February again before we really start to see that uptrend to that 100K that we're looking for Bitcoin. I don't know when it's going to happen. Probably not in the next week or so. There's always potential, but I definitely think that's probably going to be closer to Q1 of next year, January, February, maybe March. Hopefully not, but that's kind of what we're looking at. Just want to do a quick little TA of the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, that's it. If you get anything out of these videos, of course, make sure that you like, subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be doing a lot more TA as we become more versed in the charts, of course. Probably going to have to get a different platform to look at this because KuCoin ain't the best. But either way, we will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for joining us.